How to hide online status on Telegram X. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can hide your online status on Telegram X, and here is how to go about it. So what do you do first? The first step is to launch your Telegram X application on your device, just like I have done here. And then having done that, the next step would be for you to go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the three horizontal lines that you can see there. Then after doing that, you will be taken to another page will be displayed where you see options like contact, calls, saved messages, settings, invite friends, etc. Just go ahead and click on settings. On the settings page, scroll down and select privacy and security. Security is found under data and storage and above stickers and emoji. So just select it. Then after selecting that, you will be brought to the privacy and securities page. So on this page, you can see the security option and then the privacy tab. Then under the tab, you can see options like blocked chat, last seen and online. So that is our focus. Click on it. Now you can see other last seen and online. Everybody can see your last seen. So if you are trying to, hide your online status, just go ahead and click on nobody. All right, just click on nobody, and then you won't see last seen or online statuses for people with whom you don't share. So you would not people will not see your online status, and then you will not also see other people's online statuses. So this is how it works. All right, this is how you can hide online status on Telegram X. It's simple, right? Yeah, so ensure you try it out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.